Get a clean and refined signature to use any documents or paper. Start by signing on the white paper. Choose the best one and crop it. Go to the channel panel and select the red channel and duplicate the red channel. Now go to the image menu, choose the adjustment and then curve. Adjust the curve until you satisfy with the signature appearance. Click OK to apply the changes. Lower the channel, load the channel as a selection and delete the red channel. Copy and return to the layer panel. Select the selection tool and choose select inverse. Create a new solid color. Add adjustment layer using any color you prefer. Save the signature as a PNG file and delete the background. And drag and drop wherever you want by following this process. You will get a clean and refined digital signature ready to use any digital document or paper.